Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. In mobile, currently, Google Chrome for mobile does not offer a built-in way to completely remove incognito mode. However, you can limit its use by using parental control or third-party apps. There are many apps like Incognito Away, and if they are available in your region, you can download it and use it to block incognito mode. If it's not, just go to settings on your phone and go to parental control. Set up a parental control and choose an account and supervise it. These steps won't remove incognito mode from Chrome, but they can prevent access for specific users. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.